Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann and I am a real estate content creator in the island of Jamaica. Today I am at a house for sale and this is going to be a wonderful investment property for you guys because it is located in University Crescent, and if you know, there are several universities in the area which students need housing all the time. So go ahead and subscribe, join the family for more property updates. And if you're also looking for a fixer-upper or a nice starter family home for you and your loved ones, stay tuned and watch this video. Okay guys, so some quick specs about the property. It is a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom property, and it's actually upstairs and downstairs. It is located give or take 5 minutes from UTech and give or take 10 minutes from the University of the West Indies, both two top colleges in the island of Jamaica. And it's also located near the University Hospital, as well as several gas stations, plazas, restaurants, etc. If you work in corporate Kingston, Jamaica, this will probably be a 15 to 20 minute drive depending on traffic or depending on, the frequency of that time that you may be traveling. So I'm going to start by the back entrance of the unit, and then we're going to view the different bedrooms, the different bathrooms, and then we're going to take a look at this view that's actually behind my camera right now. So let's get started. All right, so I entered from the side of the building here, and there are different units on this complex. So we're going to go into this one, and I've opened up the doors so that you guys can get good lighting for the video. So as we step into the unit, we're currently in the kitchen area. So at the moment, it would appear that this property is being used for student housing based on my observations. So here is the kitchen area. They have their stove here, counter space, and your refrigerator. But as you can see, there's still space for a larger refrigerator. And then there is also room for adding a few cabinet storage. Let me turn around and show you what's currently there, right? And then we're going to do upstairs first, and then we're going to take a tour of the downstairs section of the unit. All right, guys, so we are upstairs, and we're going to take a look at the first bedroom area. So let me just give you guys a glimpse of the floor space. And then here's what the ceiling space is looking like. So because we're upstairs, you can see the ceiling has taken shape of the structure of the roof. So a lot of floor space, and notably a lot of cool breeze coming into this room as well. Now, in addition to the bedroom space, this person also has their own private closet and bathroom. So as you can see, double doors again. And then this is actually an ensuite bathroom here, right? It has a shower as well. So guys, as we exit the loft, you'll see that there is actually a little bit of space up here to hang out. I'm a very private person, so I would prefer to have this room because I feel like I would have all of this area to myself. And this is how the kitchen is looking from upstairs, looking down. So we're gonna head back downstairs and view the first bathroom as well as the other bedrooms. Alright, so as you can see, the floor plan is pretty, open concept, and this door here under the staircase is actually going to be your first bathroom. So this can easily be a guest bathroom. We have a sink in here. There's actually no shower. So I was highly suggesting that you guys use this as a guest bathroom. Nice and cozy. And then exiting the bathroom, we're actually in our living room space. I'm going to take a step back. So at the moment, they're using this wall for the television and then over here for the sofa. So depending on how you want to lay out your space, you can either switch it around. I think it's best to keep it how it is, have the entertainment stand over there, and have either maybe an L-shaped couch or a three-piece couch set over here. So before we go outside, I know you guys see that mango tree and I love mangoes, but we're not going to be outside as yet. We're going to take a look at this little storage area here. I think this can be used as either a pantry, depending on your preference, or you can keep it as it is, you know, a little storage closet where at the moment you see they have their mops and brooms and all the fixing supplies and stuff like that. Let's take a look at bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is on the lower level. I'm just going to step back. So this is one of the 3 bedrooms which I was describing. So this one actually has 2 windows. And as I said, guys, the breeze that is coming through here is absolutely amazing. There is also adequate closet space in this bedroom. Double doors, right? And the unit is currently still occupied at the time of the video, so I don't really want to open the closet and person's personal items are on display. So I'm doing my best to show you the space without intruding on person's private property. So that is the second bedroom. And then if you notice, we have 2 doors here upon exit. That is actually bedroom number 3, and this is the bathroom here. So we're going to tour that next. All right, guys, so this is your bathroom. As you can see, there's a walk-in shower, a sink, toilet, lots of floor space, as you can see here. And there is a towel rack on the wall for your convenience. However, you can make the relevant adjustments once you purchase this unit. Again, it all depends on, you know, what you're using it for. Do you want to keep it as an investment property? Do you want to make it a family home? Do you want to make it a rental? You know, it really depends. So let's take a look at the shower area, right? All the fixtures are still in place. Actually, a very spacious shower. And then this is your sink. Now, personally, I would corner off here and install some under cabinet storage, but that's just my preference. There's also a cabinet at front, hi, and it has a mirror and everything. Light bulb is up there. You could maybe extend your cabinet out more, but again, it's really just your personal preference. So that's it for the bathroom. And we're going to view the final bedroom and then take a look outside. This is bedroom number 3, and this is the most lit, and I'm gonna go ahead and say most ventilated of the 3 rooms, because we have a window here, we have another window here, and then we have a side window here. More importantly, there is a door here that opens up to the front balcony, which I will show you guys at the end of the tour. So this bedroom also has a closet, double doors, right? And at the moment, the person has a dresser, bed, and desk in here. So I'm sure you can fit a decent sized dresser here. You know, if I turn around, this blank wall can have a television. And just as though they have their bed here, you can maybe maintain that. It's really up to you. You can do whatever personal touches you like. I think I might have to renew my decision or redecide my decision on which was my favorite bedroom, because at the beginning of the tour I said it was the loft, but on the other hand, I think I like this one a lot more. So we're gonna head outside now. So hopefully you guys are understanding the layout of the space. We entered here, kitchen area here, loft bedroom upstairs, coming back, storage closet here, bedroom number 2, bathroom, and around this corner is the other bedroom. So now we're going to take a look at outside. The living room space is pretty open, as I discussed before. We have a window here which is covered by a curtain, but you know, depending on how much you prefer natural light, you can maybe keep that open. Now here is the grand finale. This is a shared space between you and the other unit, but guys, from here right across is your half. And I think this is a lot of space. Lots of mango trees hanging over. You guys know I'm big on mangoes if you watch my tour. And let's take a look at the parking area as well. There's adequate parking, right? And then there's also parking on the main road. Now, if I step back, you guys can maybe fully grasp how the front of the unit looks. So here can be somewhat of, a little front porch. You can maybe have some chairs here, a table. And personally, I would use the space here for maybe like a grill or a barbecue. I'm not sure if it belongs to this unit, but there's actually a grill out here already. So the person is thinking similar to me. But this is a wonderful space, guys. I think it's a lot of space. It's a good investment, and it's multi-purpose. You can use it for many different things, and especially because of the location, we're located in the university area, in the university hotspot. Whether or not you want this to be an investment property or a family home, it's gonna be taken up very, very quickly. So here is where you would hang your clothes, whether it's your tenants or yourselves. And there's a lot of space, so I don't think you will ever run out of line space. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but there's a lot of clotheslines going all the way back. And then there's actually, so this is where we came from. There's actually a laundry area here with tubs, washer and dryer, right? And it's pretty large, so even if you and your neighbor happens to be doing the laundry, I don't think you guys will be bumping into each other. There's lots of space and lots of machinery as well for you to do laundry. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all of the details will be in the description box below. At the time of the video, it's going for 35 million Jamaican dollars. I'm saying this verbally because you guys always say I don't say the price, but I do. But I think some of you missed it, so I'm just saying it verbally now in the video. All details are in the description box, guys. Please, sometimes we can't list out every single detail in the video, so I do a full summary of each property and it's right down below. So if you're watching on an iPhone or an Android, click the drop box, and if you're watching on a computer, just scroll down to the bottom of the video. So Miss Nadeen Neal is the listing agent for this property. Her number is going to be on the screen as well as her photo. She is a Century 21 agent. She's one of the best in the island. And if you're interested, go ahead and reach out to her. If you're interested in other properties as well, click the contact form below. The Google contact form is the first link in the description box, and get in touch with me so I can assist you in finding the property of your dreams. So as usual, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, if you love these tours, go ahead and subscribe. I was really happy to bring this property to you today. It's been a while since I've shown you guys an investment property. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next tour. Have a wonderful day and take care.